Whenever we fell ill, what is the biggest worry we have? The biggest worry is that who will pay our bills? Well, we have solution for that. Hello and welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Bima Vistar and this session is important for your GAS 3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the Bima Trinity, as Bima Vistar is a part of Bima Trinity. So it's very important to have information about the Bima Trinity because these Bima Trinity are interlinked with each other, and then we are going to briefly discuss about the IRDAI, and then we are going to discuss about the benefits and practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIAS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So the news is that there have been talks related to the implementation of the Bima Vistar, and on to the occasion of Bima Manthan, IRDAI has confirmed that we are going to soon launch the Bima Vistar. So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session, and why Bima Vistar is relevant to us, why Bima Trinity is relevant to us, we are going to discuss in today's session. And it is expected that they are going to soft launch by April 2025. So coming to the discussion part. So before moving to the discussion part, we have this TIAS Noida address C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida Uttar Pradesh, and our nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. We have ISDS Foundation course available in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. Here we have information about the English medium 17th of February 6 p.m. Hindi medium 21st of February 11:30 a.m. And still, if you want to know more information related to the classes of Drishti IAS, you can call on to the number 87501 87501. So this is the number, you can dial this number. Coming to the Bima Trinity part. So Bima Vistar is a part of Bima Trinity. So we have what we have here seen, that we have Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar, Bima Vahaks. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the Bima Vistar. So Bima Vistar is a comprehensive all-in-one insurance policies which take care of in the occasion of what you can say health, there is a problem related to the accident, if there is a problem related to the death and property. So that's why it is all-in-one comprehensive program. That's why it is called as Bima Vistar, and it provides quick claim payouts without surveyors. And then after that we have this Bima Sugam. So Bima Sugam main job is to that it connects distributors with the insurance. So this is the work of the Bima Sugam, that it connects distributor with the insurance and it simplifies the policies, and through connecting and through simplifying with the digital means. So that's why as the name suggests Bima Sugam, so that's why it is called as the Bima Sugam. Now we have Bima Vahaks. And what is Bima Vahaks? So Bima Vahaks is related to the women workforce, which is basically employed in the rural areas of India, where they go and connect with the women, where they make them understand related to the insurance policies, and where they empower them that how to use this insurance thing for your health, for in any case of the emergency. So this is the main job of the Bima Vahaks, and it provides financially security to the women, and it also empowers the women. So we have three parts of the Bima Trinity. One is the Bima Sugam, another is Bima Vistar, and third one is the Bima Vahaks. And it is very important to have differentiation between all these three. Now we are going to discuss about the benefit part. So what is the benefit we have? So whenever we talk about the insurance thing, we have this issues that everyone cannot afford the insurance. So that's why affordability is the main agenda, that it should cater the needs of all the section of the society. We cannot say that what is the exact amount they had decided, but they are completely between the 1500 to 2000 up to 2 lakhs. but still before launch we cannot say completely that this is the exact coverage they are providing, but the affordability can be ensured because of the Bima Vistar, because it provides all-in-one insurance policy, and with the help of Bima Vahaks and Bima Sugam, we can use this policy in a very significant and smooth manner. Now we are going to discuss about the IRDAI. So IRDAI has announced this thing. So it was founded in 1999 and it is a regulatory body which aims to protect the interest of the insurance customer, and it is related to the insurance industry. It is a statutory body under the IRDA Act 1999. And what is statutory body here? So it has been made by the law, but it is not constitutional body. So this is called as a, what you can say, statutory body, and it sees the development related to the insurance industry, and the rules and regulation has been specified into the IRDAI Act 1999 and Insurance Act 1938. So this is related to the IRDAI Act. So before moving to the discussion part of the question, we have another one, which is Let's Crack Prelims Together PYQ series, and we had already started from the 15th of February. So do check the PYQ series, and then we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. Before discussing the practice question for prelims, we must discuss that what are the things and what are the concerns related to the insurance industry and insurance policies in India. So first, there is a lack of awareness because people are not much aware that we have such existing insurance policies. So we need to make them aware to ensure that they can avail such kind of the facilities. Then there is also a chances of high fraud, because we have seen that many times the people pay for their insurance policy, but whenever it comes to the claiming process is very much tricky, and sometimes they could not claim, so they have to fill the money by their own pocket. So this is also the thing that fraud and scam is related to the insurance thing. And fourth thing is that it was not affordable to everyone, as it has been said that it was very costly, so every classes and every section of the society could not afford it. So affordability was an issue, and digital awareness was also issue, because in today's time there was so much of the digitally connected programs related to the insurance, and we have digital divide in our country. When it comes to the men and women, we have digital divide. When it comes to the rural areas and urban areas, we have digital divides. We have digital divides through caste also, through classes also. So because of the digital divide, people could not differentiate, and because of the lack of awareness, lack of exposure related to the insurance policy, people could not differentiate that which policy is better for them. And sometimes what we can see that every insurance companies are providing same types of the policies. So the differentiation is tricky and difficult, and because of that people are not much interested in availing insurance schemes. Now we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. What is the purpose of Bima Vahak? To train insurance agents in urban areas, a government-run insurance grievance redressal system, a women-centric local insurance sales force, a pension plan for rural workers. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section, and do check this particular topic for your mains also. And I am giving you a mains question, that is Bima Vistar is sufficient to cater the needs of the insurance scarcity in this country? So this is the mains question for you. So you have to practice at your home. So that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.